Welcome to Savedrivers Services, and I'm back. This is Mr. Williams. I'm back, and I'm going to be demonstrating a few things from my point of view, I suppose. I try to set the camera where you can see my hands and where you can see what I do when I'm getting ready to turn. So let's see if I can be consistent with what I'm doing when I'm turning. First thing I'm going to do is pull away from the curb. So here's a few things that I need to do before I pull away from the curb. I want to put my car in drive. I need to also release the parking brake, and I'm going to signal left since I'm moving out into the traffic, and I'm going to check my blind spot by looking over my shoulder a couple of times, and I'm going to transition out into the driving lane. Alright, so I'm working on some turns with Gong here. So he was wondering about what do I do when I'm turning right, and so I'm going to show you from my point of view what I do. So here's a right turn coming. This is a non-stop turn, and basically I'm going to follow the curb. So as I start moving towards the curb, when I get to a certain point, I'm going to use my hand over hand method. I'm going to complete the turn and let it slide into the driving lane, into the driving space. Smooth transitions. Driving is about smooth transitions. So everything you do has to be smooth. Here's another non-stop turn here. Hand over hand right. Just follow the curb and release it into the driving lane. So we're working on non-stops right now. Here's another non-stop approaching. And you notice when I start turning right, I start moving towards the curb. When I get to a certain point with my hand position, I just flip it over, take my hand over the other hand, and I bring it around and release it into the driving lane once again. So basically this is how this works, and you just keep duplicating this. Now this is a yield, so there's another non-stop turn. I'm following the curb. When my hand gets to this position, I bring it over the top, or either I have to bring it up. I have to either bring it up or bring it over the top. I have to reposition my hands. So I keep my hands from getting tangled up. As you can see, I'm following the curb. I'm going hand over hand, and I'm releasing it into the driving lane again. So this is some of the procedures that you use on a non-stop right. So I'm on a block where it's like 4 non-stop turns. So once again, I angle it towards the curb. I got to get past the curb, looking right a little bit, and hand over hand and release. That's what I do on a non-stop right turn. I'll do it one more time. I move towards the curb with my hands down, bring it over the top, 1, 2. Simple as that. And release. All right? So that's the non-stop on the left. On the right turn. Okay, thank you.